Here's how to check if your TV is set to 16:9 or zoom aspect ratio. First thing that you're going to do is go to the all settings of your television. Afterwards, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the picture settings. On the picture settings, you will see there a select mode option. What you need to do is to scroll down until you see there the aspect ratio. You will see there the aspect ratio that has been set to your television, which says it is 16:9. So that means that your television is set to 16:9. You can always go ahead and change the aspect ratio of your television. Just go ahead and press on the user location, and then when you press on the user location, you are now free to select a ratio that you wanted to imply to your television. Now it's up to you.